Hi there.
Hello. How are?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing well, too. What's your name?
My name is Alex. What's yours?
I'm Emma. Nice to meet you, Alex.
Nice to meet you too. Emma. Where are you from?
I'm from Mumbai. And you?
I'm from Delhi. Have you been to Delhi before?
Yes, I visited Delhi last year. It was a great trip.
That's awesome. What did you like the most?
I really enjoyed the Red Fort and the food.
The Red Fort is amazing. I love the food in Delhi too.
Yes, the food is delicious. Do you like to travel?
Yes, I do. I enjoy exploring new places.
Me too. What's your favorite place you've visited?
I think my favorite is Goa. How about you?
I loved Paris. It's such a beautiful city.
Paris sounds wonderful. What did you do there?
I visited the Eiffel Tower and many museums.
That sounds amazing. I've always wanted to go to Paris.
You should definitely visit someday. It's worth it.
I'll keep that in mind. What are your hobbies?
I enjoy reading and hiking. What about you?
I like playing soccer and watching movies.
Soccer is fun. Do you play in a team?
Yes, I play for a local team on weekends.
That's great. I used to play basketball in school.
Basketball is a great sport. Do you still play?
Not regularly, but I play occasionally with friends.
That sounds fun. What kind of books do you like?
I enjoy reading mystery novels. What about you?
I like science fiction and adventure books.
Those are interesting genres. Do you have a favorite book?
Yes, I love Dune by Frank Herbert. What's your favorite?
I really like Gone Girl by Gillian Flynn. Do you watch movies often?
Yes, I try to watch at least one movie every week.
That's a good habit. What's the best movie you've seen recently?
I watched Inception again. It's such a mind-bending film.
Inception is fantastic. The plot twists are incredible.
Absolutely. Do you have any movie recommendations?
You might like The Matrix. It's similar in style.
I've seen it. It's a classic. What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue. What about you?
I like green. It reminds me of nature. Do you have a favorite food?
I love pizza, especially with lots of cheese. What's yours?
I'm all about burgers. Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog named Max. He's super playful. Do you have any pets?
I have a cat. Her name is Luna, and she's really lazy but cute.
That's so sweet. How many people are in your family?
There are 4 of us, my parents, my sister, and me. How about your family?
I have a big family. There are 6 of us, including my grandparents.
That sounds fun. Do you have any weekend plans?
I'm thinking of going to a book fair. How about you?
I might go to a soccer match with friends.
That sounds exciting. Enjoy the match.
Thanks. I hope you have a great time at the book fair.
I'm sure I will. It was nice talking to you.
It was nice talking to you too.
See you around.
See you.